you heard today was about transporting CO2 in liquid form. So, yeah, the idea was to transport CO2 in solid form as dry ice at atmospheric pressure and a very cold temperature, -80 degrees. So I initially asked the table who has heard about this before. Maybe there was half a hand. It just shows when there is an incumbent solution, it's very hard to break through with innovations. But at least I see the CCUS as still a very, very young industry. So there will be room for innovations, also radically different innovations. One thing, many of us have some background from LNG, and I also heard, well, we transport LNG in liquid form, so CO2 should also be transported in liquid form. And I said, yeah, we transport LNG at 1 bar pressure, so we should transport CO2 at 1 bar pressure. Maybe that should be the analogy. Anyway, we went through the principles and how simple it is, how we turn a lot of CAPEX into OPEX, and overall get hopefully a more economic situation. But still, of course, there are outstanding questions about purity, about sublimation along the way, and so on. So we had some good critical questions. But I hope people at the table think that this is an idea that is worth pursuing. Thank you.
Thank you very much.